In a peaceful village at the foot of the sacred mountain, a young warrior named Neja awakes, eager for the day ahead. He dreams of adventure and is ready to learn the true meaning of strength. Neza sets off on his journey, hearing whispers from the ocean. The waves seem to call him, a sign that a new adventure is waiting. At the edge of a mystical forest, Neja encounters a playful yet wise guardian spirit who guides him towards his destiny. Neja, with the spirit's guidance, embarks on a path through the mountains, the landscape changing as they reach unknown lands. In the heart of a deep cave, Neja must face his inner fears and unlock the true power within. Through concentration and focus, he finds strength beyond his wildest imagination. As Neja nears his destination, a powerful storm brews. The winds howl and the sky darkens. It's a test of his courage and determination. In the calm after the storm, Neja takes a moment to reflect on his journey. He realizes that the most important things in life are the simple moments of peace and connection. Neza senses a dark presence. An ancient enemy, long forgotten, rises to challenge him. The battle ahead will test his strength and heart. Neza faces the enemy in an epic duel where both their powers collide with a deafening roar. But through skill, resilience, and care for those he protects, Neja prevails. Victory is sweet, but Neza knows that true strength comes from unity. He joins forces with allies he met along the way, creating bonds that will last forever.
Neza returns to his village, where he's greeted with celebration. He shares his journey's lessons, reminding everyone that hard work and care are what make life truly fulfilling.
The village elder sits with Neja, sharing the wisdom of the ages. The journey may be over, but Neja's true work has just begun, helping his community grow and prosper. Neza celebrates with a traditional dance surrounded by his village. The elements, wind, fire, water, and earth, seem to join in harmony. As time passes, Neja takes pleasure in the small, peaceful tasks of daily life, planting seeds, helping his family, and watching the world grow. As the sun rises over the village, Neja knows that his journey is far from over. Every day is a new adventure in learning, growth, and caring for the world around him.